Hello and thank you for using Secploit distribution stage 4. So in this tutorial we're gonna just discuss how to install it from any live CD that supports x86 AMD 64. So in my case I'm using Ubuntu for the installation purposes, or you can just use Gentoo minimal live CD first, which is about 26 megabyte. So first you can start downloading the stage directly, but maybe if you are running from the live CDs you're gonna just limit it to the free space with. So first we go to the partition directly. We go into fdisk -L2 to see which partition we're gonna use. Disk, I'm gonna use this one as just normal in any disk partition in VMware. So we just execute the commands that's shown there. Part first we're gonna to just make label GBT, then part it SDA unit IP, which is about megabyte, parted -s div SDA, and key part primary 113. Then we go to parted, just execute it as listed in the guide. Name one grub, which is for the grub boot. Sorry. Parted. Yeah. So then we're gonna do parted -s div SDA. So we're gonna do set one bias grab on. Then after that we go to others, SDA MK port primary. This is about 3131. Then we go to parted -s SDA name to boot, and parted -s div SDA MK part primary, which is about 643 as it began, and you can just add like this to it, like this, and we'll add the partition required. Then after that we go to part this SDA, and then we go to name 3 root fs, and parted -s div SDA set to put on. So I think we have finished the partition step, and we are ready for the preparing disk file system. So we're gonna just execute mkfs ext2 for the div sd2, and mkfs ext for div sda3. So in this case, if we go to fdisk disk, we see that this should be done like this way. Maybe that our device is ready. So we start our mounting processes. We go to first make dir just for example Gentoo. So we can see that this directory is available now. So after that we go to mount div sda3 and this empty Gentoo, and we already mounted it. So if we go to directory these, yeah, just we grab the stage 4. If you wanna just make it something like organize it, and we downloaded from the Secploit, or you can just grab it from your local network if you downloaded before. In my case, I'm gonna to download it from my network. Secploit this one two. So it's gonna download directory for your device. I think that you have about 25 gigabytes for your system for installation purposes, and that's for not make some low space. I'm gonna pause this video until the download is done. So after downloading the package, we make sure that the file is stored directly in this desired one. So we go to the extracting data, and that's it. So you can just simplify this one. If you don't like to include this one, you can use just like tar xv fj just Secploit, and just make sure to directly go to Gentoo like this, and we hit enter. So we start the process of extracting the stage 4 directly to the mounted ST3. So I'm gonna to pause the video now until the process of installation. So now after the extracting is done, so our system is ready, and we need just to configure something in chroot environment to make it bootable. So it's optional that if you wanted to just remove the start bar, we'll just use it or store it. So first we're gonna just go to this path and start executing these commands. Mount, repend. So please make sure to execute every single command mentioned in the guide. So after that we made this, we're gonna to just execute chroot and then Gentoo, and then we go to pimpash. So after that we see that we are already in this environment, so we go to just execute source etc profile, and then we go to export ps1, ps1. Perfect. So we are actually inside the environment of Gentoo. So just the last step is to just configure the group. Install, and we go to install it in this dev SDA. Excellent. So we go to grub mk -o -boot grub and grub cfg. Then we go exit, mount l, and we just make a reboot. So see, the system is booting up. So we start to log in with root and sec as a password. And here we go. So the system is booted successfully. And system ready to use.